Hello splodgers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to cut open all these squidgies. I've not done this for a while, looking forward to it. This stretchy little man looks like he's got foam in him. Let's cut his arm off and find out what's inside. It's foam. Oh, but it's really thin and messy. That is not the shaping foam that I expected. Ugh, little bit blobby, but still fun, and he's still stretchy. Okay, cool unicorn. Oh, this is air. I don't feel anything inside. Can I cut open a unicorn? No, spare the unicorn, don't kill it. The blueberry Orbeez ball. This is amazing. Smells like blueberries as well. Oh, I can't wait to see these come out. Satisfying! Run free, my friends. Beautiful, aren't they? I love all these. Why are Orbeez so good? Alien ball. It flashes, look. It's got a flasher in it. I'm not going to cut this. I'm just going to rip it out. Poor little alien. I'm sorry. Little pinky, ponky, stretchy. And that's it. That's all it is. Just a little ball. You tap it. Flashes blue and red. Like a police car. Oh, Earthworm Jim. He's got bugs inside him, look. Jelly and bugs. Come out. It's really, really sticky slime. Oh, yes. Turn him inside out. I want every last bit. Slime. Slime. Yes. Very straight. Oh, flung a bit over there. Yeah, lovely sticky slime. These are so cool. Look at that little mini fly. What are those white bits then? Are they like a grub, like a maggot? Oh, awesome. Sticking to my hand. But it's not, it doesn't leave a residue. It's not messy. It's pretty awesome slime. I'm going to maybe keep that. And the second half, get it out. Let's lob it down there. May have dropped that. Orango tangerine. I did a shot on this guy. It's an orangutan, but a tangerine as well. But I'm really disappointed because it doesn't smell like orange or tangerine. But I want to save the Orbeez on this one. They're beautiful, big and orange. Oh, look at those. They're going in my Orbeez collection. Look how beautiful they are. And there he is, look. Turn him inside out. No, let's turn it back. Goodbye, Orango Tangerine. And that's it, guys. I made a mess. That's what I found inside these ones. Join me next time. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care and keep on splodging.